Hey, what is it, YouTube? In this video, we're going to learn how to make a beautiful audio spectrum in Adobe After Effects. So with that being said, let's get into it. So let's open up After Effects, create a new comp. So here you can give it any name you like. So in my case, I'll just give it audio. So from here, make sure you select the duration of your song. So in my case, I'm not going to use a full song. I'll just leave it by 30 minutes. So I'll just leave it by 30 seconds and click OK. Alright, so next thing we need to do now is to go select our files. So here I have my background and then my audio files, and I'll grab them into my timeline. So make sure you select the background and go to Effect and Preset and search for Fast Blur. Grab it over here and make sure it's a little bit blur like this, right? So by pressing Ctrl Y. So I'll just rename it Solid. So here you can use any color you want. In my case, I'll just leave it by default with an orange color and click OK. Right. So now what we have to do is to go back to Effect and Preset and search for Audio Spectrum and just drag it over here or here. Good. So now what we have to do is to select our audio file by going to audio layer and click here and make sure you select it. So right now, if we play the song, this is what we have. It's not looking. This is what we have. It's not looking much professional. So let's make it more clear and stand. So we have to increase the frequency bands first. Let's make it like 300. And also the maximum height, let's make it like this. So let's preview and see what we get. That's cool. I don't really like this color. You can also change the color by selecting it. Go to white. Make sure everything is white, and the thickness, I'll give it 4. And if you go down to digital, you can select analog line or analog dots. Let's try one of them. This is what it gives us. These lines. It's pretty good. It's awesome. It's also good. Anyway, the purpose of this video, I'm not going to use this. I'm going to use digital and side, and I'm going to use digital. And you can also go down to side option and select side A. Let's preview the side A. It's looking now more professional. Let's increase a little bit the maximum height, like so. Alright, so let's push this one a little bit. Now, from here you can see this beat is going too much up, we need to decrease it. Drag it a little bit down like this.
Everywhere, fruits and herrings, dykes and ferries, turning wheels empty.
Okay, I think it's looking much good, but so we need to do one more thing by going to start frequency. Let's make it so.
Everywhere, fruit.
You know what? Let's try side A and B. Let's see what's going on here. So what I'm trying to do here, you don't have to follow me because this is how you can customize your audio spectrum, you know. So when you see that it looks good for you, and then you can, you know, save the project. So in my case, I think I need to go more by bringing this back to 20.
Everywhere, fruits and herrings, dykes and ferries, turning wheels empty.
I think I have to decrease it a little bit here. It's so big, I need to decrease it a little bit, like so. Yeah.
Everywhere, fruits and herrings, dykes and ferries.
Okay, that's it. I think it looks good for now. So let's make this one shorter like this and bring it in the middle here.
Everywhere, fruits and herrings, dykes and ferries.
You like it? Okay, so let's do more. Let's make a line by selecting this rectangle tool. Right, so now what we have to do is that this yellow line, we have to make it start from the beginning till the end of the duration of our song. So what we have to do is to select this shape layer and click here, and then go to content and you see add. Click add and select trim path. So when you play, this is what you're gonna get.
Everywhere, fruits and herrings, dykes and ferries, tell me where it's empty.
Okay, the last thing we need to do now is to make a time code under here by selecting text tool and oops, it's too big. Let's type 00 0 0. Let's change the color white. Make it so and put it down here, or you can put it anywhere you want. In my case, I'll just leave it down here. Right, so now we have to make this, when the song is playing and this line inside also moving, I want the time code to be moving along with the song and then this shape line same time. All right, so let's do this. So to make it work, make sure you select the text and then open here and also open the text and stand in the source text and go grab the time code. Don't worry, I'll leave this code in the description. So make sure you stand in the source text and press Alt left click and paste it over here. So let's preview and see what we got.
Everywhere, fruits and herrings, dykes and ferries, tell me where it's empty. Tax dollars.
That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question regarding this video, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe and give it a thumbs up and share it with your friend. See you in the next video.